This is considered an important measure of whether the markets are overvalued or not. It is a measure of the Wilshire 5,000, so 5,000 US companies, largely based on market capitalization, divided by the GDP, or the gross domestic product of the economy. And the idea is that once you start having a market cap, the worth of the listed companies being far greater than the gross domestic product of the country, that the stock market is overvalued. Or you could argue that GDP is lagging and will catch up and have a sharp rebound. Well, in actual fact, GDP is anticipated to have a significant rebound as a result of post-COVID measures. But this is a warning sign that we could be getting to crazy territories. But allow for the fact that there is some lag in reporting GDP numbers, i.e. the growth of the country, and it's supposed to be at levels we've not seen since the Second World War. So don't be too scared by images such as this, but do bear them in mind that they are rightly a reason to be cautious.